I am so excited to tell you everything that I've been working on today. For now, I want to get into my composting video. I want to share that with you and let you see how our compost bins have been doing over the past couple of weeks. And this video, the clip that you're about to see, is actually from a few weeks ago because I wanted to show you what the compost looks like after it has had time to cure. So here we go. Okay, we are gonna head over here to the compost bin. Okay, here's the first bin. I've already kind of mixed all of this together, but if it looks a little dry, that's just because there's a lot of fruit in here, so it's gonna, as that breaks down, that's gonna add plenty of moisture. And tomorrow I will bring home some more shredded cardboard to add as another layer on top of this, and then we'll keep aerating it and adding cardboard and water to it for the rest of the week, and it will break down pretty quickly. I know a lot of people think that compost bins can get smelly, and they can if you don't do it correctly. As long as you have the proper ingredients in there, it should only smell like good, earthy, healthy soil. And you don't want to leave your rotting food on top of the soil. I always bury it underneath, and that seems to mitigate any smell that might actually be there. So I will show you how this is looking in a couple of days. Here's another one of our bins. I just kind of make myself a hole and then start burying everything in it. So you can see these two compost bins here. This one, it's a good bin and everything, but it's not my favorite. It's very hard to close. It's very cheap, thin plastic. So when the bin gets full, it's very hard to get this thing shut. As you can see, it should fall over here and it doesn't because the thing has expanded. But it does have like places where you can cut out and put in a shield on all four sides. I'll show you that in a minute. The other thing I don't like about this one is the holes. One year we had mice get into this bin really bad and it freaked me out. So I don't care for this one as much. Now this one is my favorite. It is very nice and secure. It does have the two sections right here where you can access your finished compost. The lid, you can tell, fits very securely on there. It's a lot heavier duty. It's gonna last a lot longer. I got this one in 2020, and I believe I got this one in 2021 maybe. And so it's technically newer, but the other one is still holding up better even though it's older. So I'm about to show you guys how we access the finished compost. Okay, so right down here, you just need to get a tub or something to put your finished compost in so that it can cure. And then we're just gonna open right here and access it from there. there's still a lot of sticks and everything in here, so when I go to filter it, a lot of that stuff will go back into the compost, or to the compost bin. Okay, now I'm starting to get into some more. I can see some tomatoes I haven't fully broken down in here, so we're gonna go ahead and close this back up and then get it mixed and resettled down here. Guess you wanted to get a closer look. See, look. It's a piece of the thing, of the bin. Okay, that one's looking pretty good. We're gonna leave this for a day or two and we'll come back and add some more to it next time. Yeah, a lot of this is going to get filtered right back into the bin. There's a lot in here that hasn't broken down yet. I did just empty this bin, oh, probably about a month ago, so it just hasn't finished breaking down all of this yet. There is some that's finished. Just got myself in the eye. That'll do for now.